This is an extender bracket for mounting an SSD M.2 2242 on a board that only has the screw for a M.2 2280. But how does it work? That's what I'm going to show you. But first, subscribe to the channel because I publish new videos every week. If you have an NVMe SSD M.2 2242, which is a 42mm M.2 module, and you want to install it on a computer that only has an M.2 2280 connection with a length of 80mm without middle screw, then you will not be able to properly secure and hold the 2280 module in place on the computer board, because there is no screw to hold it. To do this, you will need to use a support extender where you fit into the module to extend the length to 80mm. To be compatible with an M.2 2280 connection. And with this extender, you can now place the screw at a length of 80mm and hold the 22mm module, ensuring it is installed correctly in the computer. With the module placed on the computer, you can then lower the module normally as if it were a longer M.2 module to make the appropriate connection to the M.2 connection on the board. It is as simple as that. This extender bracket model is for a 2242 to a 2280 M.2 SSD bracket. But there are several other different models with the same purpose of extending the module size. And it's very cheap. And so you don't have to buy a 2280 module because you can make a 2242 module compatible with the M.2 2280 connection on the computer. This extension bracket for a M.2 2242 module can be used on desktop computers or portable computers or any other computer with an M.2 connection with a length of 80mm because it is compatible with the M.2 2280 standard. Now, subscribe to the channel to learn more about technology because I publish new videos every week. And if you have any question, write in the comments.